It's been a while,
since I first saw you.
just because life got a little bit hectic. I got a new welder. I sold my old one, bought a new one because I want to try TIG welding in the future. I got myself a new Impact, the biggest Ryobi there was. So that's fun. On the Articat, I pulled the engine and cleaned the engine bay, so it sits there. I need to like disassemble the top end of it because it has a little bit low compression, so I think I would like to change the piston rings. I noticed when I pulled the engine out that one of the engine mounts are broken. I don't know, probably locate a new bracket, or I have to try to get someone to weld it, or I buy myself TIG equipment for this one and weld it myself. To get it out, I had to fuck up the primary clutch because I broke the tool or the clutch puller in the clutch. Couldn't get it out for the life of me. So now I need a primary clutch and a manifold. But oh well, it's summer, so there's not gonna be any snowmobiling. But today's task is this weedwhacker, an old Husqvarna. I got a carburetor off of eBay. Hopefully it fits. I think it's a carburetor. It's just a bitch to get it started. Also, look at this huge ass bee. Be stuck. I need to remove the top maybe. Every time I do stuff with Allen keys, I tell myself, oh, you should have bought a new set of Allen keys. I'm gonna say it again, I need to buy myself a new set of Allen keys. It's fucking mint. How do you do? No gaskets. Gas line. Nice, there's new gas lines with it. And the spark plug. And the new filter for the tank. Yeah. And the new choke. Oh there. Oh, this is literally a gold mine. Gasket. Wow. I mean, they look the same. Huh. I am very impressed. Wow. Wall bro. Really? Literally the same carburetors, but one is stamped, one is not. Old versus new. Like, look at this. Okay, so this is the return. Just make it a little bit thicker, what I need. I'm just gonna slide a shrink wrap on it. Let it cool down for a bit. The next one. It's the one with the filter. Okay, are we cutting it and then pushing it through and then fishing it out? Where's my knife? This one is tight enough, maybe. It's on. Pull it off. There we go. Now this one for the choke is probably good enough to get in the hole. Oh yeah, that's much better. So tight and nice. Clean a little bit. Like so. On the gasket. Which goes like this. What's next? The wire for the throttle. Gasket is in place. I really hope that I don't have to adjust anything because I kind of suck at it. Doesn't go all the way, and there's something wrong. Okay. And we figured it out. Ah, I see. It's hitting the gasket actually. Huh. Who would have thought? This might take a while.
It's been a while.
Okay. Just goes over there. Okay, now it's choked. Choke off. Choke on. I think we have it. Nice. Choke is on. Squeeze it past. Clean out the air filter box. So, are we gonna change the spark plug? Probably not. We need to test if, before I put more together, I wanna see if I plug the primer properly. The gasoline that is here. I want to see. Ha! Can we? It works! Oh there! Damn, that was, I would say nice, but it was even better. Air filter. I'm so happy, I'm happy. I'm so happy, I'm happy. We can take it outside and try it. Where do we have some weeds that need whacking? Everywhere. Gets too much gasoline. So easiest to see and everything. I think we take off this. Okay, so we didn't flood it. I think the choke is the wrong way. Let's see if it bubbles in the tank, maybe. Yeah, okay, it's the wrong way. Okay. Aha!
Two hours later.
We're gonna try to change the spark plugs just for fun. Because now it has to be flooded. The torque monster. There we go. 1.5. It runs like a Husqvarna, like it sounds like it's gonna blow up. I think we're good. I'll leave a link for this because this was actually everything except the gasket fit perfectly.